Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to link internally in WordPress. We'll go through what internal linking is and briefly cover what external linking is, just to eliminate any confusion. Internal linking is when you're linking to a blog post or article and you add a hyperlink to link to another page on the same domain, which basically means linking to an area of your page or another page that's within your website. External linking is when you link to a separate domain or page outside of your website. I'll show you examples of both in this video. Alright, so let's get into it. To get to this page here in WordPress, you want to click on Add Post, and then New Post. From here, we're presented with this blank page. Now I'm going to paste my text and title in. Now over here where it says Nurturing an Online Business, this is an example of internal linking because we are linking to a page on the same domain. We're linking to a separate page that's a part of our website, and the same story with these internal links here. They're all considered internal links as we are linking to the same domain. All of these here are all examples of internal links. Now on the right here, if you have the Yoast plugin, you will get this list of related content that you can link to in your post. This is really useful for internal linking and optimizing your SEO. To add an internal link in WordPress, we highlight the text where we want to add the link, and then click on this Insert/Edit Link button. We can then paste the URL in, or search for the link if we're linking to another blog post we've written in the past. So I'm going to copy the URL from one of our previous posts and paste it in the box. To show you guys what it looks like, I'm going to hit the preview button, and as you can see here, we've created an internal link. Now I'm going to show you an example of an external link. As I mentioned earlier, an external link is when you link to another domain or another website. So let's highlight this text here where it says New Age Tech Millionaires. I want to link to an article on the Business Insider website that talks about tech billionaires. To do this, I'll again copy the link of the website, and then back in WordPress, I'll click on the Insert/Edit Link button, and then paste the external link in there, and then click Apply. If you want to add internal links based on Yoast suggestions, just highlight the text you want to add an internal link to, and then click the Copy Link button on the right here. Once it's copied, we click on the Edit/Link button again. Paste the link in and click Apply. When we preview the changes, we can see that this internal link has been added, and if we click on it, it takes us to the page. If we want the link to open in a new tab or new window when it's clicked on, we change this in WordPress. If we go back to the text in WordPress and right-click on it, we want to click on Link Options, and then click on the tick box that says Open Link in New Tab. We then apply these changes, and if we preview the page again, you'll see if I click on the link, it opens in a new tab. And that's how you internally and externally link in WordPress. You can find a published version of this article on internal linking on our website. I've included the link in the description below for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm happy to answer any of them for you. And if you enjoyed digital marketing videos like this one and you'd like to see more, then definitely go ahead and subscribe to our channel.